Step 5, admitted to God, to ourselves, and to another human being the exact nature of our wrongs. In step 5, we begin to learn the lifelong lesson that you don't want to live alone anymore with your own secrets. It's called the human condition, that no human being can be objective about themselves. So in step 5, we take our written inventory, our list of resentments and fears, etc., and we sit down with our sponsor usually, although it doesn't have to be. It can be another human being along the spiritual path that's headed in the same direction, and we go through them one at a time, and they give us objective feedback, show us some things that we can't see about ourselves. And for the first time for many of us, many people in recovery, in hindsight, look back to step 5 as the first time they felt something, the first time they began to feel any real peace, and many of them describe it as the beginning of their spiritual experience. So we sit down in a room, we admit to God, to ourselves, and to another human being exactly what living on our own power has created.